Can I fit the wheel for my Spirit on my 750 Aero? No and yes. You can actually lace the rim from the Spirit to the hub of the Aero because Honda Shadow, in their infinite wisdom, decided that they were going to make all their wheels 52 spokes. The problem is nothing else in the world has 52 spokes, well, that I have found. Unless you get a wheel yourself and drill the spoke holes by hand, which is kind of a pain in the pee hole. But you can take the front wheel off of a Spirit and put it on a 750 Aero. The little hinky part is from 2007 and 2008. The Aero and the Spirit actually had the same model front axle. So, depending on wheel spacers, that kind of thing, fender, you may be able to actually swap the wheel over between those 2 years.